There's a movie theater. So continuing on, day spa, furniture and home decor. It's consignment too. Now it's center of the screen. So Lime Cantina. I have a feeling it opens later. It's not happening quite yet. Nice big green door. Cultural Center. Oh, they got the polka party coming. It's a really old front. Different things that it used to be. The old variety store. It's like a bar at one time. And an all stores. Don't know what that is. So I don't know if it's a building behind us. I don't know if it's this building. Pancake House. So we're getting near the end on this side, so I'm going to go back the other way and then try to find the train depot, which they're remodeling right now, as well as the covered bridge. And I'm assuming that's what it looks like, a drawing that somebody did. That's a church at the end. This is kind of cool architecture. Gonna get that all in. Go through the bell tower now. I tried going the other way, but the sun was too much, so. Really old lights. The edge of the street, you can see that there's a huge church, kind of where it tees. So now we're walking the other way. But again, this is kind of the way we started, but it was in the middle. Old doors. So a bar and eatery. It's kind of weird. It's like got really quiet here now. Sunday, September 20th. So I'm just trying to capture the architecture and the buildings. And let me zoom back out so I can get more of the buildings. There we go. Trying to do more stuff. Now this looks really old, but I don't see any historic indication as to what it was. Or maybe it's just made to look that way. Health and Fitness Center. Look when they have the old placards on the buildings. 1865 this building's from. Actually, at the real estate agent, they have a really cool gate. Look, they have little dog biscuits and dog bowls. Love those old gates. CM, I don't know what CM stands for. It's Caldwell Banker, but whatever it was here before, maybe. Another salon. Now get to more modern buildings. That's a guest house, the Lily Pad. Some of these, I guess, are houses on the main street. And some look like they were houses that had a storefront attached, maybe. Oh, an Asian restaurant. New Fortune. Voted #1 Best Chinese restaurant in the greater Milwaukee area. Wow. Got an old neon sign coming up for Blatt's Beer. Supposed to be a resale shop, I think. Or maybe, no, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just regular. I have to zoom in on this sign. Got my hand in there. Actually a cool old sign. So the theater, I guess, is it'd be neat to see the marquee lit up at night. But it's playing old movies. Rear Window, Alfred Hitchcock. Oh, the old box office. I like when they had the box offices out here. Pickwick and Park Ridge is that way. See if we can get it without a glare. Oh boy, that's worse. A little architecture here. Chocolate factory. Caramel apple. Oh wow, you can really smell it. All kinds of different stuff. Why does that smell good? Papery balloons. Home decor. Oh, that's a cool old house. Oh, it's a hotel. Or an inn, I should say. Schroeder House Inn.
Hi there.
Hi. Again, this has a lot of art stuff, so I'm just going to do it from very far away and just continue. Because they don't want people to, I guess, steal ideas or anything, so. Which is fine. Just poppy in. That was the side I did earlier. Another bar and lounge. Cedarburg coffee. Fiddlehead's coffee.